You want to impress mom and dad, right? Instead of just saying, "I know how to use Google," imagine telling them some cool computer words they don't expect you to know. Let's learn a few advanced terms together. First is CPU. This stands for Central Processing Unit. Think of it as the brain of the computer. Every time you click, type, or open a game, the CPU decides what happens and makes it work. Next is RAM. This stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is like a chalkboard. It holds things you are working on right now. But when the computer turns off, the chalkboard gets wiped clean. Now here's cache. Say it like cache. Cache is a secret storage spot inside your computer. It saves bits of data to make things faster, like when a web page loads quickly because the computer remembered it from last time. Another big one is IP address. This is like your home address, but for your computer. It helps other computers know where to send emails, websites, or videos you ask for. Then there's Firewall. No, it is not made of bricks. A firewall is a security gate for your computer. It lets good information in and keeps bad information out. Finally, here's a cool one: algorithm. An algorithm is just a set of instructions. For example, when you brush your teeth, the steps, take a toothbrush, add toothpaste, brush, rinse, are like an algorithm. Computers follow algorithms to solve problems. So the next time your parents ask what you learned today, surprise them with words like CPU, RAM, and algorithm. They'll be amazed you know the language of computers. Found this fun? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Appsolute Kids.